that we have the amplifier working, I'll build this mute circuit here. This just uses some sort of FET. This might be a JFET. I don't want to say that. It uses some sort of field effect transistor here. And when the key is closed here, this diode here is brought to ground, so it starts conducting through the resistor, which will shut off this this FET and will block any signal from coming into the audio amplifier, so that way your ears don't get blown away when you transmit. So just a couple parts. Got the transistor, two resistors, capacitor, diode, and I'll install the plug here since I have some straight keys that I can just plug in. Well, I realized as I was editing some video that some of the testing footage for various parts didn't come out, so got a different camera and gonna redo the tests as best I'm able. First, show that the muting circuitry is working. It's a little tricky. I've already put in the mixer and the first stage of the transmitter, but it will still work. And since there's so much other stuff going on, instead of just touching the input to add 60 Hertz noise, I am going to transmit a low power signal from my big rig, and this white wire is acting as an antenna. It'll couple enough in, the mixer will mix it down to audio, and we will be able to hear the tone on our little speaker here, and we will look at it and you'll be able to see the audio tone go away when we push the transmit for this rig. So here we have this is just noise. If I key down on the KX3, you'll hear a tone and you'll see the audio output on the scope, which is what we expect. And then if I go into transmit mode while the KX3 is transmitting, you'll see the tone will go away and the display will go back to just noise like this. So there's a slight delay between transmit and receive, but my guess is you won't notice it while you're keying, and if there's a little bit of key shaping, that's good. So the mute circuit is working.